Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a very exciting video. As you guys can tell by the title, I'll be baking slash cooking my bread through boiling water inside the plastic. If you don't understand what I'm trying to say, watch this video until the end. And also, please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Do leave your comments down below. I really appreciate comments, guys, and also share with your friends. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into the video. Unfortunately, guys, I didn't show a part where I was preparing my dough, but at this point I am trying to remove the dough from the plastic. I am also gonna smear my cooking oil onto the plastic that I'll be using to cook my dough. Make sure it's nice and greasy to avoid stickiness. At this point, cooking oil should be your best friend because it's the only way you can get this thing done. As you guys can see, I am preparing my dough at this point and making it ready for cooking. After this, you should try and tie your plastic as tight as possible. Make sure it's airtight so that you avoid water from seeping in. I usually double the plastic just for protection because you don't want to have your bread sipping water, so always double the plastic. I usually do 2 plastics. You can do 2 or 3, it's really up to you. Just make sure that your water is at a boiling point before you dump in your dough. As you guys can see, it's fresh, it's dry, and it's bouncing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. please do not forget to subscribe. Make sure that you leave a comment down below, give this video a huge thumbs up, and do subscribe. I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.